G'day, wildlife enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just someone who loves learning about the wonders of nature, you're in for a real treat today. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a science fiction novel, the axolotl. This little aquatic wonder is not only unique in appearance, but it also boasts some of the most extraordinary abilities found in the animal kingdom. This ain't your average salamander, mates. While most salamanders undergo dramatic transformations as they grow, the axolotl breaks all the rules, keeping its youthful looks and playful spirit throughout its entire life. Native to the ancient mystical waters of Lake Xochimilco in Mexico, the axolotl has captured the imagination of scientists and animal lovers alike for centuries. Its home is a vibrant, bustling ecosystem, but sadly, it's also one of the most threatened habitats on Earth. This Mexican marvel has got tricks up its gills that'll make your jaw drop. Not only can it regrow lost limbs, but it can even repair parts of its heart and brain, a feat that puts most superheroes to shame. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is an axolotl? Is it a fish, a lizard, or something else entirely? Well, let's clear up the mystery. Picture this: a salamander, smooth and slippery, with feathery gills sprouting from its head like a flamboyant headdress. These gills aren't just for show, they help the axolotl breathe underwater, giving it a truly otherworldly appearance. But here's the kicker: this critter stays in its youthful larval stage for its entire life. Unlike most amphibians, it never undergoes the usual metamorphosis to become a land-dwelling adult. That's right, folks, it's the Peter Pan of the amphibian world. Forever young, forever fascinating, and always ready to surprise us with its quirky charm and incredible abilities. So, get ready to discover what makes the axolotl a true legend beneath the surface. Most salamanders follow a classic coming-of-age story. They start their lives underwater, breathing through delicate gills, and as they mature, they undergo a dramatic transformation. This process, called metamorphosis, is a rite of passage. They shed their gills, develop lungs, and make the bold leap from water to land. It's a journey from childhood to adulthood, from aquatic to terrestrial life, and it's how most salamanders experience the world. But not our mate, the axolotl. This remarkable creature is the ultimate Peter Pan of the animal kingdom. Instead of following the crowd, the axolotl chooses to remain forever young, never outgrowing its larval stage. It keeps its feathery gills, stays underwater, and skips the whole land-dwelling phase entirely. The axolotl is perfectly content in its watery home, gliding gracefully through the water, a living symbol of eternal youth. This fascinating phenomenon is known as neoteny. Neoteny is when an animal retains its juvenile features even after reaching sexual maturity. In the axolotl's case, it means keeping those iconic frilly gills and a playful, youthful appearance for its entire life. Imagine never having to say goodbye to your childhood. No awkward teenage years, no growing pains, just a lifetime of youthful energy and curiosity. That's the life of an axolotl. It's as if this little amphibian hit the pause button on growing up, choosing to embrace its inner child forever. Scientists have long been fascinated by the axolotl's perpetual youthfulness. The secret, they believe, lies in a tiny but powerful chemical messenger, the thyroid hormone. In most salamanders, a surge of this hormone triggers metamorphosis, prompting them to leave the water and adapt to life on land. But in axolotls, this surge never comes, or is so weak that the transformation simply doesn't happen. As a result, the axolotl remains in its larval form, even as it grows and reproduces. For other salamanders, this transformation is essential. The thyroid hormone acts like a switch, turning on the genes that help them develop lungs, lose their gills, and grow strong legs for life on land. It's a dramatic change, and it marks the end of their aquatic youth. But the axolotl, it dances to the beat of its own drum, keeping those feathery gills and that adorable grin for life. This unique adaptation not only makes the axolotl endlessly fascinating to scientists and animal lovers alike, but it also gives us a glimpse into the incredible diversity of life strategies for survival. The axolotl's story is a reminder that sometimes staying young at heart is the best way to thrive. Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's about to get even more incredible. The axolotl possesses a superpower that would make Wolverine green with envy. It can regenerate. And we're not just talking about a lost tail here. This little guy can regrow entire limbs, bits of its heart, even parts of its brain. Crikey! Imagine losing an arm and having it grow back, good as new. That's the reality for the axolotl. Scientists are baffled by this incredible ability. They're studying the axolotl's secrets, hoping to unlock the potential of regeneration in humans. Talk about a medical marvel. Now, where can you find these amazing amphibians in the wild? Look no further than the ancient canals of Xochimilco, Mexico. This network of canals and islands, once a thriving Aztec hub, is the only place on Earth where these incredible creatures exist naturally. Imagine gliding through these tranquil waters, surrounded by floating gardens and the gentle croaking of frogs. That's the world the axolotl calls home. They love to burrow in the muddy bottom, munching on worms, insects, and the occasional small fish. The axolotl's incredible regenerative powers have captivated scientists around the world. They're studying these little creatures, trying to decipher the secrets behind their remarkable ability to regrow lost body parts. Imagine harnessing this power to help humans recover from injuries or even cure diseases. That's the dream, and the axolotl might just hold the key. By studying the genes and cells involved in axolotl regeneration, scientists hope to one day unlock the same potential in us. Sadly, our fascinating friend, the axolotl, is facing a real battle for survival. Their watery home in Xochimilco is under threat from pollution, habitat loss, and the introduction of invasive species. Imagine your home being slowly destroyed, your food sources dwindling. That's the harsh reality for the axolotl. The introduction of predatory fish, coupled with the degradation of their habitat, has pushed these incredible creatures to the brink of extinction. But don't lose hope just yet, mates. The story of the axolotl is not over, and together we can help write a new chapter filled with hope and possibility. Around the world, people are coming together, united by a shared passion to protect this unique and enchanting creature. There's still time to turn things around for the axolotl. With dedicated conservationists, scientists, and everyday people working hand in hand, we can restore their habitats and give them a fighting chance to survive and flourish. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitat and raise awareness about their plight. Volunteers are cleaning up polluted waterways, planting native vegetation, and monitoring axolotl populations to ensure their numbers can recover. Imagine a future where these fascinating creatures can thrive once more in the waters of Xochimilco, their natural home. Picture the canals teeming with life, where axolotls swim freely and play their vital role in the ecosystem. We can all do our part by supporting conservation organizations, whether through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading the word about the axolotl's importance. Spreading the word about the axolotl's plight is crucial. By educating friends, family, and our communities, we can inspire more people to care and take action. Even sharing a post on social media can make a difference. And making responsible choices to protect our planet's precious biodiversity is something we can all do. Simple actions, like reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable products, and participating in local cleanups, help create a healthier environment for all living things. Remember, every creature, big or small, plays a vital role in the web of life. The axolotl is just one thread in the rich tapestry of nature, and by protecting them, we help safeguard countless other species as well. Let's join hands and ensure a brighter future for the amazing axolotl. Together, our actions can make a real difference, so let's stand united for the axolotl and for the future of our planet.